I'm currently sitting outside of Salvation Army. In today's video, I want to go over how I make between $1 and $200 every single day buying used goods from Salvation Army and Goodwill and reselling them on eBay and Amazon, and how I generate between $100,000 and $350,000 every single year reselling items. Here's the Salvation Army I'm going to. I haven't ever been to this one, so let's hope I can find something. Here's an item I just stumbled upon. They want $9.99 for it. It's some sort of Sprint modem or router, so I first have to see if it's inside the box. But used FBA right now is the lowest offer I saw was $75. So after fees and shipping, I'll pop it up on the screen, but that's a good little score. I also found this little router. I don't know if I'm gonna pick it up because you only make 10 bucks after fees, and it's a little bit of a slow seller. And I'd have to buy like a power cord for $1 at a garage sale, but we'll see. A neat find. I saw this Franklin computer thing, Spelling Ace. I've sold these before, so I decided to take a look on the back, find the name of it, Spelling Ace, and then the model number. I quickly looked it up on Amazon. By the way, they only want $2 for it. FBA, the lowest offer is $30 with a decent sales rank. So, and this is super light, so it literally costs cents to ship into Amazon. Put it into some simple bubble wrap and you can make like 15 bucks off of that. Tip, you should always look at alarm clocks. I've sold a lot of iHome and Emerson Research alarm clocks. I looked this one up. There's no listing on Amazon. I'm sure there's one on eBay, but I'm not interested in eBay for now. But these type of alarm clocks, these type of alarm clocks can go between $30 and $50 on Amazon all day, every day. Here's another tip. You should always look at almost all the remotes. If you're ungated on Sony on Amazon, you should always look these up. The only problem with these is that they always get crusted and corroded batteries. But they only want $1 for this, and the lowest one is 11 bucks. So you can make a few dollars, but most of the time the batteries are all blown up. And I just don't have any motivation to clean those. Another really good section if you want to make money from these type of stores is the hard goods and the sporting area. Be on the lookout for these type of chargers or these battery packs for drills. It's a good brand that can fetch a pretty penny. And always look up baseball gloves. If it's in okay condition, you can fetch between 15 and 20 bucks on eBay. But I don't like selling on eBay. I stick to Amazon, but I'll let someone else buy that. Always look at the shoes, but this is like the cleat section. I don't like buying cleats. During the main part of COVID, all the weights were selling out. So if you could find weights inside of thrift stores, you could make a shit ton of money. But that part of COVID is over since the gyms are back open. Like here's another glove for the eBay buyers, or eBay resellers. I'll leave that behind for them. Another thing to look out for are old footballs. Those can maybe get you 20 bucks if it's a good one, but like I said, I don't like selling on eBay. So a little bit of a mid-store update. Over there at the expensive side of like the bouquet area, I picked up a brand new sealed Wii Fit Plus board and game. Sealed for $17 because it's purple, it's half off. Brand new sealed on Amazon is going for $100, so I'll make 50 bucks on that. And I'm gonna pick up this thing for $1. It's half off. Goes for about 30 on Amazon. Should sell within a few months. Quick $25 profit. This thing is 7, half off, so it's $3.50, going for about 25 on Amazon. Have to buy a power cord for $1. Some garage sale, make 20 bucks on it. Then this thing I still have to open up, but if I do get it, it's $10, going for about 60 on Amazon. I don't like buying these too much because they do have passwords on them sometimes. So I'm probably gonna pass on this, but if it has a IMEI number, I'll look into it. And if it's not locked, then I'll pick it up. But if it is locked, I'm not gonna get it. But so far, about $100 profit. Here the video game section. Most of the time these are picked over. This is like the favorite thing for people to buy and sell. So I don't really buy too many of these, but you can sometimes find a good one. I'm not seeing any. I'll pick this up, but it's not the plus version. It's a good bundle item. I also recommend you guys learn your sports titles because not a lot of people know about them and will leave them behind. Some of them can fetch for 50 bucks on Amazon, FBA of course, especially towards Christmas. But yeah, I don't see any. Alrighty, I just walked out of the store. I spent a grand total of $42.89 on 4 items, and I'm gonna quickly go over them and I'll go into more detail when I do get home. I bought this brand new cell phone for $15 and I did an IMEI check on it to make sure it wasn't stolen or lost. It came back clean, and this phone I'll easily be able to get $60 for it. It's an older phone. People, when they break their old phones, especially when they're older, they don't want to get a new phone. They want the exact same thing they have. This is brand new in box. I paid $15. I'll easily be able to get 60 bucks for this on eBay. Shove it in a flat rate envelope and I'll make a few bucks. Probably make, after all the fees and whatnot, $30, $35 on this. So not too bad. I bought this Franklin computer spelling thing for $1. Checked the battery compartment. There's no batteries in it. So that leads me to believe it was either never used or they're taken out before they could explode, which is good. And right now these on Amazon, the sales rank is about 500,000, a little bit below, around 55 stars reviews, and they're going for about 30 bucks. Paid $1 for it, should be able to make about 25 bucks after everything. And then I bought a little spider hoodie for 7 bucks. I can't really show you in the car. I will show you when I get home. It's an extra large, it's a really good size. Paid 7, should be able to get 25 bucks for it. Quick, easy seller. It's towards the cold. And a lot of people like to wear these type of fleece stuff during the spring because it's not too cold, not too hot. Perfect for one of these jackets. I'll get probably 25 bucks for it. And then probably the best score in this store, had to flip you around for a second, was this brand new sealed We Fit Plus board. They wanted 35 bucks for it. Today was half off for purple, so I paid $17.50 for it. And these things on eBay and Amazon are both going for about $100 brand new. I'll just quickly send it into Amazon, maybe do merchant fulfilled because it is near Christmas, and I'll make 50 bucks off of it. So grand total 50, 25, 25, probably around there. And the shirt, so after everything, to be on the really conservative side, after just one store, it took me about half an hour, I'll make 100 bucks. Listing 4 items will literally take me 2 seconds because 2 of them are Amazon items. Those literally take seconds to list. Type in the UPC or scan it in, put a sticker on the product, shove it in a box, good to go. The shirt will take me 5 minutes to list, whatever, and the phone will take literally 2 seconds. Picture of the back, front, and the middle. Description, copy paste the description, good to go, list it. So pretty much both the board and the calculator and the phone will sell pretty much instantly, and then this shirt might sit for like about a month until spring comes. But yeah, that's just one store. I do this all day. Can make thousands of dollars doing this. Right now I'm gonna go to Taco Bell, grab something to eat, maybe ship some of my orders, and yeah, I might go to another store and show you what else I do. And a quick little tip on what I like to do with my inventory: as soon as I buy it, I will list it the same day. I will not let it sit around. That's one of the biggest things for resellers. They'll buy a lot of stuff
and just let it sit for months and never list it. So what I like to do as soon as I get home, take the pictures, throw it up on eBay, scan it into Inventory Labs, and that's it. I'm done. I put it aside. I know it's ready. It's either waiting to be sent into Amazon if I need more items for a shipment, or it's listed on eBay getting attention from buyers. So currently I'm shipping my eBay orders, and yeah, I'm gonna go home, list this stuff, maybe hit another thrift store, maybe do some retail arbitrage, which I'll show you. I guess you'll see in the video if I do decide to do that. And yeah, I hope you guys are finding some sort of value out of this, because anyone could do this. I do understand that Amazon, a lot of people are gated. I'm ungated in pretty much anything because I was godfathered in. I had a really good account, but it's really not that difficult to get ungated. You just need a good distributor. For example, I got ungated in Nintendo a few days ago on a different account. You know, it cost me a little bit of money, but now I can sell Nintendo. For example, this board, now I can sell it on Amazon or on eBay. But yeah, if you have any questions, you can always comment down below. I can help you guys with getting ungated. Or if you have any questions about shipping, I can make a shipping video or a FBA shipment video. But yeah, if you guys do like this sort of content, I can make more for you guys. All I want you guys to do is like. You don't even have to subscribe, but it would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe. But please just like. It does help with the engagement. It helps with the algorithm. It helps me get a little bit bigger, make a little bit of money off of YouTube. You know, that'll take a little while, but that's the main goal. And also to help you guys. But yeah, if you got any value out of this, please like and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video.
Hey guys, I'm back home now. Just want to do a quick recap of the one thrift store that I went to today. Just quick on the way home. Little thrift store. Got this cell phone, 15 bucks. Easily get 60 for it. Sell a lot of these. We got this for $1. It's a computer, calculator, spelling ace thing. It's going for about 30 on Amazon. A little bit under $500,000 in electronics, I believe. So it'll take like one or 2 months to sell. Shouldn't be that bad. And then this buddy got for $17, going for 100 on both eBay and Amazon. Since it is a little bit dented, I didn't really notice that in the thrift. I'll probably list it for like 94, 95 on eBay. Sell it quickly before the holidays. I also got a spider shirt, but it's currently in the wash right now. But paid $7 for it. It's extra large. I'll be able to get about probably 25 bucks free shipping. It's a quick little tenner. But yeah, after everything, I think I'll be able to make probably 50 off of that. 25. So that's 100 plus the shirt, probably 10 bucks. So on the low side, 100 bucks profit for this one thrift store. It took me about half an hour to go through. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. It would really mean a lot to me if you like and subscribe. And if you like this type of content, leave a comment saying you do. Thank you. Have a good day.